Standard 7th, Subject Maths, Chapter 1, Geometrical Constructions, Practice Set 3. Dear students, in the previous practice set, you have learned to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides. Now, in this practice set, let us learn to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Let's have a look at the example. Draw a triangle PQR such that length PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter, major angle P is equal to 50 degree and length PR is equal to 5 centimeter. So a rough figure has been drawn showing the given information. Angle P is an acute angle and that is shown in the rough figure 2. So we show angle P as 50 degree and the sides PR as 5 centimeter as given in the question and PQ as 5.5 centimeter. Once you complete your rough figure, let us start towards construction of the given triangle. So, your first step will be, according to the rough figure, seg PQ forms the base of length 5.5 centimeter. So, we take a scale and with the help of the scale, we mark exactly 5.5 centimeter segment which is named as seg PQ. So, write the measurement 5.5 centimeter. Once seg PQ is ready, you will have to construct the angle P which is given to be 50 degree. So we will place the protractor in such a way that P is exactly at the center and we mark point at 50 degree. This point we joined to P and we get a ray which forms an angle of 50 degree with seg PQ. This point we name as ray PG. So we have constructed a ray PG which forms a 50 degree angle with seg PQ. Now we have to open the compass to 5 centimeter, exactly 5 centimeter, and then placing the compass point on P. This we will place on P and draw an arc to cut ray PG at point R. So the point R will be joined now to Q to form the seg QR. So this way we have got side QR formed of the triangle. PR is 5 centimeter. So you have completed the construction of a triangle where two sides are given and one angle that is included by those two sides is also given. This way we are going to start with our practice set number 3. So let's begin practice set number 3. Question number 1. In triangle MAT, length MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Major angle A is equal to 80 degree. So we can show in the rough figure also major angle A as 80 degree and accordingly the other two sides, other two vertex of the triangle can be named. As per the information given in the question, we take MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter and we take seg AT is equal to 6 centimeter. Now let's start the construction. First, I will mark point A. Then, with the help of the scale, taking a distance of exact 6 centimeter, point T will be marked so that we get a segment AT as 6 centimeter. Next, we will take the protractor and mark an angle of 80 degree. So, exactly 80 degree will take a point and with the help of a scaler this point we are going to join to point A to make an angle of 80 degree. So we join it and mark the arrow to show the ray. Now we have to mark AT as 5.2 centimeter. So I'll take the compass again, take the scale and take a distance of exact 5.2 centimeter from 0, keeping the pointer at 0 and the pencil point at 5.2. Take exact measurement and then keep the pointer at A and mark an arc such that you will be able to get point M exactly 5.2 centimeter. Join it to T. So this way we get our triangle constructed, which is 80 degree. Angle A is 80 degree. AT is 6 centimeter. Point M has to be marked, which is MA is 5.2 centimeter. So this way we have completed triangle MAT. So do not forget to mark the points and the measurements and the angle as well. Next, let's move on to question number 2. In triangle NTS, measure angle T is given as 40 degree and the other two sides are given. So we draw the rough figure first as shown here. We take T as 40 degree and the other two sides are given 5 centimeter. See that you match them properly. TS 5 centimeter and TN also 5 centimeter. That means it is an isosceles triangle. Let's start the construction. First we draw TS. So I take the point T first and from 0 to 5 we mark point S. This forms a base segment TS. Next, we shall take the protractor to construct an angle of 40 degree. So as you see in the rough figure, the measurements we have marked already. You are also supposed to draw a rough figure before constructing the triangles. So 40 degrees an acute angle triangle. Mark it on the proper side of the protractor. Then join it accordingly to the point T and mark your ray with an arrow on top. Now we will take the compass and take a measurement of 5 centimeter. So this is 40 degree angle which we have got. Using the compass, take the scale and measure a distance of 5 centimeter. Now keep the point head of the compass at point T and with the pencil you will get an arc. Join this to point S, the point of intersection, to point S and name the point of intersection as point N. This way we get a triangle NTS. The side NT is 5 centimeter, which is also equal to TS. So question 2 is completed. Now let's move on to question number 3. In triangle FUN, FU is 5 centimeter, length UN is 4.6 centimeter and measure angle U is equal to 110. So remember students, since measure angle U is given, we will take U here in the rough figure, 110. And then accordingly, we will name the sides and the measurements we will show as given in the question. If NU or UN is given 4.6, then you have to write NU as 4.6. Whereas FU is given 5 centimeter, so FU we will measure as 5 centimeter in the rough figure also accordingly. Now let's start the construction. First we take point U as in the rough figure and extend it from 0 to 5 to mark point F. This makes a segment UF which will measure 5 centimeter. So mark the points properly and then join these points to form the base of the triangle, which is UF, 5 centimeter. Once the base is ready, we are going to take the compass Before taking the compass, we have to draw the angle. So we take a protractor. Protractor, now we have obtuse angle here, 110 degree. So accordingly, mark carefully. It will be more than 90. So 100, 110 becomes a obtuse angle triangle. So we extend the ray to form 110 degree measurements, and accordingly we draw this 110. Now that we have got the ray, we have to mark the measurement of seg NU, which is 4.6, as you see in the rough figure. So exactly the distance of 4.6 has to be taken in the compass, and keeping the pointer at U, mark an arc on the ray which you extended through point U. And now this point of intersection will be joined to point F to complete the triangle. And we name the point of intersection as point N. Mark the angle as 110 and this side as 4.6 centimeter. And what is left? Yes, the point of intersection on top, point N. So do not forget to label the triangle properly. Triangle NUF is 110 degree with side NU 4.6 centimeter and side UF 5 centimeter. Let's move on to question number 4. In triangle PRS, length RS is given, RP and major angle R is given 90 degree. So let's begin. After completing the rough figure like this, you will start with your construction. So you will construct the rough figure first. It's very important to draw a rough figure. So use a scale and a pencil to draw a rough figure. You can do it directly as per your convenience. Only you need to mark the proper sides. So now here I am drawing segment RS, which is 5.5 centimeter. Once you have drawn the base, we take the protractor to mark 90 degree. Do not draw a straight perpendicular line on your own. Always use a protractor to mark angles. So this forms a 90 degree angle. And now we have got the ray which we can now intersect according to the given length, which is 4.2 centimeter. So take 4.2 centimeter in your compass using a scale, and you will keep the pointer at point R and mark an arc on the ray to mark the point P. This way we are going to take the point of intersection and join it to point S. So we name it as point P, and point P is now joining to point S. So we get segment PS, and PR is 4.2 centimeter, which is labeled. It is a right angle triangle, so the sign of right angle triangle. This way we have completed our question number 4 of practice set 3. I hope you have followed all the 4 sums. Do practice them in your notebook. Stay safe, keep learning, and thank you.